Hi everyone, welcome back to my 33rd tutorial. In this tutorial we're gonna see about modules and packages. What is package? A package is a collection of Python modules where the Python module is each Python files. You will be having a folder. Inside the folder will be having a multiple Python files. Each Python files will be saying it's a modules, so the entire folder will be considered as a package. In order to make it completed modules and packages, we need to create a _init_dot_py empty file inside the packages. Then we can use any Python file we can import any Python information to another file. Now I'm going to create a package called calculator. Now inside the calculator, I'm creating a for like no, okay, so it's a calculator. Now inside the calculator I'm going to create a files called add.py, and our next file is sub.py. Now the third one is multiply.py. So I want to use these three files in one base file. I'm creating one base.py. I want to combine these four files into a single package. So in order to make it, we're supposed to create one empty file which is named as init__.py. Okay, now the calculator folder consider as a package. Now inside the add folder, inside the add Python file, I'm creating class addition object. Now I'm creating a constructor self a comma b, self dot a equal to a and self dot b equal to b. Now I'm creating a method instead of it, add print the addition value is self dot a. I'm adding the both values, self dot a and self dot b here. Okay, now in subtract I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just copying it, I'm just pasting it, and just replacing the name itself, subtract. Okay, so I'm calling the method as sub, and the subtraction value is, and I'm changing the symbol or else it will give the addition method and they will confuse at the last. Now I'm pasting it again and I'm changing multiplication. Sorry, yeah. Now multiplication value is, and I'm changing the symbol. Now I'm having totally three files, add, sub, and multiplication. So this is my base file. With the help of this base file, I'm going to call I can able to call addition, I can able to use subtract, I can able to utilize the multiplication. Now from addition, from add, I'm importing the class name is addition. Okay, now as we are doing create an object. I'm creating an object for a object equal to for addition. For addition class, I'm creating an object with the two parameters. I'm passing 5, 4. Now the object is created. When this line is read by the Python, it will directly go to here and it will assign the values like self.a and self.b will be assigned. Now I want to call the method, right? So now object dot add, I'm calling the method. Now we can see that the addition value is 9. Okay, now similar as I'm doing from sub Python file, I'm importing subtraction class. Okay, now I did importing. Now I'm creating an object to do for subtraction. For subtraction, I'm passing two arguments 8, 2. Now I call with the help of that object, I'm calling the sub method. Now can't import name subtraction. Yeah, okay, whatever we want then. Subtract, sorry, we have given just subtract, right? Yeah, I'm changing it. Now I run the program. The subtraction value is 8 minus 2 is 6. So for multiplication, we'll do some different thing. Okay, now instead of giving like this, I'm just returning it. Okay, I just return the values. Now what I do in this sense, I'm calling multiply mul method from multiply Python file. I'm importing multiplication. Yeah, class name is multiplication, and here we will check right mul. Okay, now I'm creating an object multiplication 2, 9. Now I'm calling the method. Now by just calling the method will not help us in this particular line, because it's returning the value. In the multiplication file, we have a class, so we have a method mul. It's just returning the value, so I want to print it. In order to print it, I'm just printing the entire method. I'll return the value here and it will print here. Now I run the program. Yeah, the addition value is 9, the subtraction value is 6, and the multiplication value is 18. So this is what we need to create a multiple Python files. So in order to compress all the Python files into a whole package, we need to create init.py, and if we want to call the classes from another Python file, we need to import the files. This is a way to importing the class and the methods. I hope you to get the more knowledge about the modules and packages. So in the next tutorial, we'll discuss about anonymous function. So until that, stay hungry and strive hard for better tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.